Hello guys, we're gonna open some cases today. Again, let's do 3 Chroma, 2 cases. So I'm just gonna buy the keys. Surprise. Go. Okay, first case. We get a blue. Oh yes, make 7 heat. Awesome. This is not blue. And let's see where. Minimal. I think this is, yeah, the same as mine. Okay, second case. Let's go. We get Desert Eagle Bronze Deco. No, not too bad. I could do better, but yeah. That doesn't look that good. Field tested. Alright, last Chroma 2 case. And hopefully we get something good. Oh, damn, we almost got a 5-7 monkey business. That would have been good. But maybe we'll get anything good. Alright, let's do this voucher case. Okay. So, all Piper Beast. Damn it. Glock 18. What's it better? Damn it. Ah, come on. Let's get some more Chroma cases. Chroma 2 cases. Alright, ready? And Hyper Beast. That was a few Negevs, wasn't it? Okay, Negev Mana War. Wow. There's gonna be another shitty case opening, I'm guessing. Let's do Phoenix. Just to end it off. Mag 7 Heaven Garden. I was hoping for StatTrak or Bastion field tested, but. Okay, so I've got 2 more keys, so I can open 2 more Phoenix cases, so let's see. I want at least a pink, which would be pretty cool. Like a red would be perfect, but Knife! 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 I got a knife! StatTrak Karambit Safari Mesh! I got a knife! StatTrak Karambit... Oh my god. StatTrak Karambit Safari Mesh. I got a knife, my first knife. Oh my god. Oh my god, how much is that worth? It's field tested, so... How much is that worth? Oh my god, I got it. God.